This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Turn the TV on and make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. Open Home, go to Settings, then Network and select Wi-Fi Direct. This puts the TV into pairing mode so it can accept a direct peer connection. On your phone or tablet, enable Wi-Fi Direct or the cast/screen mirroring feature now, because the TV will broadcast a discoverable name you must choose. Once done, keep both devices within a few meters to ensure a strong, direct link during pairing. Next, find the Bravia's Wi-Fi Direct SSID on your sending device and tap it to start pairing. This is the how-to step where most connections occur. If the TV shows a PIN, enter it on your phone or confirm the matching code on both screens. This prevents accidental links from other devices. Once you accept the connection on the TV, the system negotiates a direct peer-to-peer link, faster and router independent. Make sure firmware on both devices is current so the handshake completes. To finish, open your streaming app or system cast option and choose the Bravia. Once the session starts, you'll see audio and video directly over the Wi-Fi Direct link. When you're done, stop casting on the sender or disconnect via Settings Network Wi-Fi Direct on the TV to release the connection. If things go wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Toggle Wi-Fi Direct off and on, and restart both the TV and the sending device. This clears stale sessions and resolves most pairing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.